Hello everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it, you'll want to become friends and you'll hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Say hello down to someone else and say hello to someone else down in the comments. I love talking with you guys and seeing what you guys have to say in the comment section. So today I'm doing a Shein haul. Now, there are some things I've already used and I can't wait to show you. Stuff that was super cheap, but works. The quality is pretty much there. There are some things you can tell that are a little cheaper about Shein. This here, the Santa baby shirt, is one of the items that I got. And I got another sweater. I had already given that to my future daughter-in-law, and I will put a picture of that in here. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other items that I've got. All right. Okay. Some of these are for Christmas. This here is a fitted sheet, but it is a super soft. Let me see. Let me open this up here. Wow, it's sealed in pretty good. Oh my gosh, look at this. My daughter loves things that are soft, and I thought, what better laying on a sheet that feels like this and then having your blanket over you? I'll put the price of it on the screen, so that's one item. Then I've got for Jackson, because I wanted to take pictures of us. Look at this. Isn't this super cute? I can't wait to see him in this. So excited. This is a size 11-12. Jackson is 9. He just turned 9, but you know, he's a big kid. He's a big kid. All right, next I got toilet seat covers, because I'll tell you what. Sitting on that toilet seat in the middle of the night and being how cold it is, woo! If that doesn't wake you up, I don't know what will. So here is one of them here, and I know there was instructions. It was kind of weird how they did it, but I'll have to try this on the toilet seat and then put a picture of it in here, because I'm just not really sure how it goes. It's like got wire and I don't know. But I'll tell you what, this is not the color that it showed. However, I'm not mad at it because it was like 69 cents. Like, that's that, you know? Okay. Let me show you the other one. Again, color is not the same, but that's for my other toilet seat. Okay. Oh, then for Amber for Christmas. Oh my goodness, these pajamas. They are the silky kind. Now, do I want to mess it up and take it all out? Sure, why not? Look at that. Okay, let me show you. Let me hold it up. This is size small. Amber is 5'3" and about 125 pounds. Here are the pants. Look at that. They're super cute, but I'm loving the fact that they're silky. Love that. Okay, now this, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this. I got it for Kayla, and it's definitely much different in person than it was in the picture. It is super long. Kayla's 14, but she's like the size of a 9-year-old. She's only 70 pounds. And this here is so small, the neckline. It's supposed to be for an 11, 12-year-old. And part of it's gonna be huge, but then the neckline is gonna be small. So I don't know how this is gonna work. I haven't tried it on her yet, but I'm gonna be honest, I really don't like it. I thought it looked so much cuter. Here is the belt that comes with it. It's the same material. I'm just not sure what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna keep it, if I'm gonna return it, if it's gonna be a hassle or not. Every now and then when I order something from Me, they send me the wrong thing. If I order something from Shein, most of the time, 90% of the time, I'm happy with everything I got. It just so happens that this time, you know, the colors on certain things were different. This looked different. So again, I'm not really sure. I know that's not gonna fit over her head. So, I don't know. We'll find out about the returns. If you guys know about returns, would you let me know how Shein deals with them? Okay, I also got a tablecloth. I'll put a picture of that in here. It's already on my table. Then I found some jewelry for cheap. And I want to show you this because I'm so into butterflies. I mean, of course it's fake and it looks it. But it's definitely super cute. And for fashion, you know, for something just to kind of like sparkle up a little bit. And then this one here has the little butterflies. So this set came together. I think I paid like $1.50. I'll put the price of it on the screen, but you can't go wrong with stuff like this. All right. Now, ooh, the socks. Yes, let me show you the socks. I absolutely love them. 6 pairs I got, and they're definitely very good quality. I'm very happy that I got them. Oh my gosh, I love these socks. They go great with jeans and your sweater. I have a pair on now. Then we have this that I'm gonna have to try on for you guys. It's a size small, and I'm not really sure how I'm gonna like it and if I really would wear this underneath my clothes or not. So we'll figure it out. I don't know, have you guys tried this? I was really wanting to try Skims, but it's so expensive. I thought, you know what, when I saw it through Shein, let's do it. Let's try it. I'm trying to think, is that everything? So I got a few sweaters, I got the pajamas, I got the tablecloth, the toilet seat covers, this jewelry here. This is super cute. And like, it's not expensive, but like, it doesn't feel expensive, but it's also for the price. It works and it's comfortable and I like it. So that's everything with Shein right now. So far, everything that I got. Let me know, have you done a Shein haul for Christmas yet? Let me know if you were happy with everything that you got. Let me know if you've done returns with Shein, how that works out. I'm sure not only me, but someone else in the comment section will be happy to know how your customer service experience went. And thank you for taking the time to watch this haul. I really do appreciate you guys. I cannot wait to do more videos to hear what you guys have to say, and I'll see you real soon in another video.